The question over here says seven identical cylindrical chalk sticks are fitted tightly in a cylindrical container. So this is a cylindrical container from the top view, and there are seven identical chalk pieces which are tightly fitted in that container. The figure below shows the arrangement of the chalk stick inside the cylinder. The length of the container is equal to the length of the chalk stick. So whatever is the length of the cylinder, same is the length of the chalk piece as well. The ratio of the occupied space to the empty space of the container is. So they are asking us the ratio. They are asking us the ratio of occupied space to empty space. So occupied space divided by empty space. This is the ratio they are asking. Now, what are the things given? These are the seven chalk sticks. Let us understand. See, volume of this cylinder. If we talk about volume of cylinder, even the bigger cylinder is in the cylindrical form, even the chalk pieces are in the cylindrical form. So volume of cylinder, what is the formula? Volume of cylinder, we know very clearly, cylinder, it is equal to pi by 4 d square L, where L means the length or the height of that cylinder. Pi by 4 d square L. So this is the formula for volume of cylinder. Even for chalk piece, we'll use the same formula. Even for the cylindrical in which the chalk piece is set, we will use the same formula. Now let us understand. Consider if we say the diagonal of this complete cylinder is the capital D. Can we say this small cylinder or the chalk pieces, this diameter as a small d? So here d plus d plus d. So 3 small d's is equal to 1 capital D. So this we can say because it is tightly fitted. 3 small d's is equal to 1 capital D. Capital D is the diameter of the bigger cylinder and small d is actually the diameter of the chalk piece. And length, they are saying the length of both are same. They have the equal length. The chalk piece and the container both are having equal length. Now, let us understand first occupied space. First we'll find the occupied space. So for occupied space, there are chalk pieces which is occupying the space. So if we talk about volume of 7 chalk pieces, or you can even say occupied space, that is only occupying, it is equal to 7 into pi by 4 into d square, that is we are taking small d, so small d square into length we are taking as L. Now this can be written, that's it, this is the occupied space. Now let us talk about the volume of container. Volume of container is actually pi by 4 into capital D square L, because container, the diameter is capital D. In the place of capital D, if you want to keep small d, you know very well that capital D is equal to 3 small d. So we can say this is equal to pi by 4 into 3 small d square into L, which can be written pi by 4 into 3 square is 9 d square into L. So this is the volume of container. Now let us talk about empty space. How we'll get empty space? So empty space, it will be from container volume, if you subtract occupied volume, you will get the empty space. So empty space, the container volume is how much? Container volume is actually pi by 4 9 d square into L minus, this is the container volume, and occupied volume, that is the 7 chalk pieces, this is minus 7 pi by 4 into d square into L. Now if you take this as, this can be written as, if you take pi by 4 common, both are having pi by 4 if you take common, then both are having L, so L also you take common, it will be 9d square minus 7d square. So this is equal to pi by 4 L, 9 minus 7, that is 2d square. This is actually we are getting the empty space, and this is what we are getting as occupied space. So what will be the, they have asked us occupied space by empty space. So occupied space, how much we are getting? Occupied space is coming as 7d square pi by 4 L, you can say. So 7d square pi by 4 L. 7d square pi by 4 L. This is occupied, divided by empty. Empty, how much we are getting? Empty we are getting 2d square pi by 4 L. 2d square pi by 4 L. So 2d square pi by 4 L. So here you can see these all get cancelled. Pi by 4 get cancelled, L get cancelled, d square get cancelled. So left over is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 will be the ratio of occupied to empty space. It will be equal to 7 by 2, which is given in option D over here. So this is our answer.